Hi, I'm Zach Jones. I'm the president of the lawn bowling team.
Hi, I'm Jordan Dorr. I'm the team captain and all-star player of the lawn bowling team.
It doesn't matter.
All right, why did I start lawn bowling? Well, one day I was driving by the Newport Harbor Lawn Bowling Club, and I thought, that. And so we did that.
Amazing.
Come bowling.
What is lawn bowling, Will? I'll tell you what lawn bowling is. It's what isn't lawn bowling. It's who is lawn bowling. It's why is lawn bowling.
I'd like to personally thank Coach Mr. Seabarth for being the heart and soul of Corona Del Mar's lawn bowling team. All right, my favorite part of lawn bowling is when the game
When it ends, yeah, when it ends.
That's my favorite.
Winner, Lawn Bowling Championship 2019, Mr. Elliot Stone. Elliot, thank you, sir. Here you go.